It's me, Houston Jones, world's strongest bodybuilder, and I just found this AR15 cannon just laying around, you know, and it shoots like tennis balls and other objects out of it. And to the average person, it would probably kill them. But to me, it just bounces off, deflects somewhere in the wilderness. Really no effect at all.
Julio Jones!
Let's do something better. That's a good shot.
How'd it feel?
Yeah, wasn't that bad.
No?
Houston Jones, world's strongest bodybuilder. Didn't I say that in the intro? That tennis ball, pathetic. Didn't even feel it.
Aren't you glad I brought this?
It's delicious and nutritious.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Wait, you sure about that?
No.
My ear's ringing a little bit on that one. But he's right, they're delicious. Hey man, those balls are like really soft. You got a harder one for me?
Lacrosse ball it is.
Slightly harder, I'll admit it, you know, but I'm pretty hard myself. Enough of the balls, how about something else? How about a
Whoa, just hold on one quick second. Now listen, I know what you're thinking, but let me just say, you are extremely wrong, okay? This random blurred object is not adult in nature by any means, all right? It's just your random everyday latex thing, all right? And if you think anything other than that, you're the weird one, not me. So how about you just suck on it? Wait, no, let me try it again. How about you just sit on it? No, god damn it, Houston.
Oh, my ears. I can't hear anything. I just feel like I went to like the Civil War, dude.
Me too, why was it so loud? I think someone set off a flashbang, dude. Ooh! That was a fast-moving penis.
Daddy's home.
Yeah! Ooh! Damn, Daddy! All right, Ross, enough for one day. What else you got?
Well, I found this butt plug lying around. Will that work?
Yeah!
Ah, cool, man. Let's see how this goes. It's kind of hard to get in there.
It always is.
Ha-ha! Bend over, Pops. Ooh. Damn it! Oh, yeah.
My ears too. It's a double whammy. It's a double whammy. Whoa, that last way too big. What else you got?
A lot of little like that?
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
It's like a bunch of little bottle rockets. Dang. I thought we were going chest. So as you can see, this here AR15 cannon did absolutely nothing to me at all. Pretty amazing, I know. Anyways, make sure you like the video, okay? I'll really appreciate it. Also, comment down below what you want to see next on Bodybuilder Versus. You know, I do a lot of stupid stuff, so I just want a good comment from you guys. And last but not least, subscribe!